Hi guys, this is the second video of SQL. In this video, you are going to learn select, where and order by. Before learning this, let's create a sample employee table. This is a sample table we are going to create. In this table, we have ID, which is integer. We have name in the text, which we have age, data type integer. We have department, data type text, and the salary, data type integer. Table name is employee, and we are going to insert some data in the table. ID, name, age, department or salary. These are the data we are going to add in our table employee. Let's run this. Okay, the table is created. You can see the table and all the columns are added in the table. So our table is created. Now let's start with select statement. What is a select statement? Select is used to retrieve data from the table. If you want some specific column, then after select you are going to write the name of the columns. Like in this example, we have write select name and salary from employees. Or if you want all the columns, then you are going to write select star from employee. In the asterisk, if you are going to use select asterisk, then in this format all the columns are going to retrieve in the order as we have added in our table. I am going to show it. Like in the table we have first ID, name, age, department, salary. We are going to get the column in the same order. So let's write select star, select asterisk from employee. Now we are going to run it, and yes, we have get all the data in the table with all the columns. But if you want some particular columns, like I want only age and the name, I didn't require ID, department, salary. So what we are going to do, I am going to define select name comma age. We are going to run it. See, only name and age we have get. Similarly, if I write ID after age, we get name, age and ID. So with the help of select, you can decide which columns you want to fetch, you want to retrieve. You are going to get all the rows for that particular columns. So we have seen the use of asterisk and select a particular column name. Now what is where clause? Now there are 10,000 employees in your company and you want the data of only those employees who are in IT department. You didn't want to fetch all the rows and then found out your data. What you do? You can use where clause. With the help of where clause, you define the condition. If that particular condition meets, then only the row will be fetched. Now we are going to see this in the ID. What I going to do? Select array from employee where department equal to IT. We are going to run it and see only those employees whose department is IT are fetched. Now one more example. We have seen here salary is 50,000. So I want only those employees whose salary is greater than 50,000. So I write salary greater than 50,000. We are going to run it and see only those employees whose salary is greater than 50,000 are fetched. So this is how we are going to use where clause. Where define the condition. If the where condition meet, then only that particular row will be retrieved. For comparison, we have 6 comparison operator: equal, and here we are going to use single equal only. Not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. These are the 6 comparison operators. Now you want your data should be ordered. You want the largest salary first, you want the smaller age first, you want your data should be ordered by the age or the salary, then order by will going to help you. Order by will order your data in ascending or descending order as you want. Let's see this in ID. So select asterisk from employee, order by. We are going to order by according to the salary, and we are going to run it. See, we have ordered it on the basis of this the salary, but we want higher salary first, so we are going to use descending. See, higher salary is first. If you are using ascending or you are not describing ascending or descending, then by default it will be ascending order. We are going to run this and see it is ordered by salary again. Now we are going to order by age. Run this. See, we have ordered it according to the age. Now it is not according to the salary, as you can see 70,000 is above than 60,000. So this is how order by work. It ordered your data in ascending or descending order according to your requirement. Now we are going to use where and order by together. So what we are going to do? We want the data of all IT department in the order of the salary. So select asterisk from employee, and after write we use where. Remember, where should be written before order by. Where department equal to IT, order by salary in descending order. See what we are going to do? We are going to fetch the data of all employees whose department is ID in descending order. See, the data is fetched only whose department is ID and the salary in descending order. So this is how you can combine where and order by. Now consider let use where after order by. I am going to use where after order by. It is already there. It is showing you are doing it wrong, but still we run it and see SQL error near where clause. So where should we use before order by? I am going to run it. Yeah, this is how it works. Let's get one more example. Order by age, run it, and yes, we have get the data of all the employees whose department is IT, and we have ordered it by age. So this is how SQL is worked. So some real world example, like in Amazon, if you are checking some product like bag, you add the filter, the price should be less than 1000. So this is where clause you have added where price is less than 1000. In Netflix, you add the filter show only English language. So you set where language is equals to English. In Instagram, you want the new post first. So the filter is added by order by. With the help of order by, you are going to see the new post first. In the bank, you set the order by salary and see the data of the customer who has highest account balance. Thanks to see the video till end. We have seen select used to retrieve data, where to filter rows, order why is short. Please like the video, please comment if you think something can be improved in the video, and please subscribe the channel. Thanks to see the video till the end.